The Mississippi town that tried to ban Pride just agreed to take a whole bunch of steps to make the town safer for queer citizens. It's a reminder that the days when small town bigots could try to stop Pride parades are over. We also got a major victory this week for trans access to education, and the U.S. Supreme Court is about to rule on a major LGBT equality case. We'll have the week's top LGBT news and how it affects you on Weekly Debrief. If you're enjoying Weekly Debrief, you can help keep it going for as little as $1 a month on Patreon. Visit patreon.com/mattbaum or click the link in the description to join the folks who make these videos possible. Happy start of Pride Month, although it's great to be queer year-round. June is the anniversary of Stonewall, and it's an important time to lend visibility to communities that are often overlooked, particularly in small towns. A few weeks ago, we heard about Starkville, Mississippi, where town leaders tried to ban pride parades. The days when they could get away with that are long gone. So not only did Starkville have its pride, but this week they agreed to pay $12,000 in legal fees to issue a proclamation in support of equality and to establish regular meetings with LGBT liaisons. Pride is here to stay. For the second week in a row, a court has issued a ruling in support of trans access to school facilities. Last week it was the case of Gavin Grimm in Virginia, and this week it was a Pennsylvania case in which the court found, quote, treating transgender students equally does not harm any other students in the school, unquote. Obviously. Both cases could continue to escalate to the U.S. Supreme Court. In the meantime, there's a major Supreme Court ruling due this month. It's the one about cakes, whether a business, in this case a bakery, has the right to discriminate against customers on the basis of sexual orientation. But of course, it isn't just about cakes. Also in the works are cases involving hospitals that want to turn away queer patients, and adoption agencies that want to deny homes to kids with queer parents. So even though we are all sick of hearing about these wedding cakes, this is a super important issue that will determine whether just about any business can turn away queer customers. So, this week's action item is to get up to speed on what's at stake here and why non-discrimination laws should apply to everyone. I made a video a while back explaining the whole situation. You can click on a link in the description and then please pass it along to people, repost it on social media so everyone knows why we need to be paying attention to this cake case. And as always, let me know about stories that need covering in the YouTube comments and at Matt Baum on Twitter. Thanks to everyone who keeps Weekly Debrief going with a pledge of $1 or more a month on Patreon. Visit patreon.com/mattbaum or click the link in the description to join the folks who make the show possible. And I'll debrief you next week.